Hello and welcome to this practical guide on using ChatGPT for marketing. My name is Leo, I'm your instructor for this course. So just a few words about myself. I'm a full-time AI product manager, currently at a global enterprise with over 10,000 employees. I've been in sales and marketing since 2012. Generative AI and ChatGPT in particular have been the biggest game changers in this field. It's in every conference, every report, and every meeting. AI is already changing the way we think and work. And it's also affecting the way we hire and are hired. So if you work in any marketing direction, whether it's social media marketing, content marketing, digital marketing, SEO, copywriting, or small business entrepreneurship, you will definitely find something for yourself in this course. We'll start with the fundamentals. Learning how to improve ChatGPT responses using prompt engineering techniques. Then we'll turn ChatGPT into your marketing strategy assistant. For example, we'll be creating a user persona from a real survey and analyze competitor reviews and finding some patterns there. But instead of saying a lot about what we're going to do, here's a quick look at one of the tools that we'll use to automate a huge part of your research of information. We'll be using tools like Perplexity AI. This tool will understand your request, ask you follow-up questions, and turn all of this into a series of searches. By the way, it searches not only the web, but videos as well. Then Perplexity will analyze the sources and give you an answer with references and further follow-up questions. And that was just a part of a 2-minute lecture in this course. But the most exciting things are still ahead in the further sections. We'll learn how to generate creative ideas and create AI-generated text that doesn't feel artificial and is close to your natural tone of voice. We'll even have a look at the components of artistic writing. Lastly, I want you to make sure that you get the most out of this course. I've created an easy-to-navigate and easy-to-copy and paste prompt library with all the prompts and approaches that we mentioned in this course. You can simply add it in your bookmarks and pin it next to your Chrome tab, just like this. Also, if anything gets you confused or you need any help, feel free to share your questions in the Q&A section or send me a direct message. I'm also happy to connect on LinkedIn. I'll be available to personally respond to everyone in this course. Start the course today and get a lifetime access to it and all of its future developments. And I'm sure that they will help you stay ahead in your career.